Hey guys, so for today's video I'm going to be sharing with you my #1 hack basically for saving money and time as a student, and that is using Cherryz. So Cherryz has very kindly gifted me one of their boxes. If you don't know what it is, you basically order a massive box full of everything that you could ever need. So I've got things ranging from food to cleaning products to toiletries to kitchenware, anything that you think actually I could need that as a student. Cherryz is the place to go. It's so convenient, it's delivered straight to your door, it's all from one place. They do all the work for you, put it in the box, and there it is on your doorstep. I honestly think this is one of the best services ever. I really wish I'd known about this in first year, as it would have saved me so much time, particularly before moving into uni, but also when I was at uni in first year in Bristol, right in the city centre. There's a Wilko's and a Poundland, but nothing much else. Whereas if I'd known about Cherryz, I could have literally just ordered it all straight into hauls. But obviously as a second year, even though I have my car here, it just takes time, and petrol's expensive at the moment as well, to go to a whole range of shops. Whereas I'm really grateful that this big box arrived to my doorstep, and today we're going to be unboxing it so I can show you guys literally everything you can get. Right, the hair has gone up, the uni fleece is still on, and we mean business. So I'm going to show you this massive box that Cherryz very kindly gifted me. As you can see, everything is in here, all in one place, really, really convenient. I have opened it up, obviously just to check everything did arrive, but no problems there. Came with Hermes, really great delivery service to be fair, and I've just taken out all the excess packaging so I can really show you what's inside the box. Like I said, I've just taken out all the excess packaging so you guys can get a really good overview of what is in here. Obviously I'm going to go through it all, I'm going to organise it into little sections so you guys can see, and I'm going to leave a link down below with all the prices, but this equated to about £30. I've also got a discount code for you guys, so you can use the code SophiaX20 to get 20% off your first box if you're a new customer. This is a big saving, definitely worth it. And also Cherryz offer loads of really good exclusive deals once you're in the app. But I'm going to organise this and we're going to go through the haul. So I've just moved positions ever so slightly so I had space to put everything out in front of me. So the first things I'm going to go through are just some kitchen essentials that I kind of picked up, and things that when you come to uni you think, oh, I've got those at home, or perhaps I don't need those, and you start to realise you really do. So the first thing I picked up was a pack of stainless steel straws. Obviously these are metal straws, come with a nice cleaner as well. I've never owned these, and the amount of times we have had prees or I've just had a drink and it's like, wish I had a straw right now, or to like mix something up. This is what I've been needing. So when I saw these went straight in my basket. I was like, I need some straws. Really convenient, 4 in here, so that's one for each of me and my flatmates, as there's 4 of us. Absolutely perfect. I then got some of these steam bags, again really useful things that I just didn't think about, even though we're like, what, 3 months into second year. So these are basically bags you put your food in, chuck it in the microwave, and it steams it for you. Again, really convenient, really quick and easy as well. Sometimes when I have a social in the evening and I need to make dinner and I'm in a bit of a rush because I still need to get ready or get the bus or whatever it is, this is going to save so much time. You get 30 bags in here, variety of shapes, sizes, everything like that. So you can put your meat in one, veg in another. If you've got more one time than other, you're not wasting bags because there's loads of different sizes in here. And I think these are really worth it, and goes in the microwave, it's very quick. I then got myself a lunchbox, because here is a tip. Do not buy lunch when you go out to uni, okay? You think about it, every single time you buy that £3 meal deal, that adds up, okay? If you're doing that 5 days a week, that's 15 quid a week that you could put towards something else. If you add that up over the month, 60 quid a month that you've literally just spent on your lunch, not worth it. So I've picked myself up a lunchbox because this is going to encourage me. I was taking like little Tupperware, but actually proper good lunchbox is what you need. It also comes with a knife and fork, which is so handy because a lot of the time I want to take pasta, and just having like a grubby metal fork hanging about in my bag is not the one. As you can see on the back here, it's like in 3 compartments, so I probably put like my pasta or a sandwich in here, a bit of fruit and maybe something else just in there, and this can just go in my backpack. Perfect for uni, perfect for school, just for a day out. Take lunch with you, do not buy lunch. And then the final kind of like kitchen-y thing I got was a water bottle. This is actually glass, which I think is lovely, and this is from Virtue, if anyone wants brand for reference. Really nice water bottle, nice little metal lid, glass bottle. And again, don't buy drinks, take a reusable water bottle, stop buying plastic bottles. Take this with you in your bag, all you need. I have a really big water bottle that is a nightmare to put in my bag, so this is a much better size for me. And I know at Bristol there's loads and loads of like water refill stations around, so again, I don't have to worry about keep buying bottles. I can just refill this. A couple of random bits and pieces I picked up were some chocolate. I saw this advertised I thought, why not? It was close enough to Christmas. These are Little Robins from like Cadbury's with the dime bars in them. Really, really delicious, perfect for Christmas. I'm gonna just snack on these this evening. And then I also picked up some Maryland cookies minis. I have not had these in a very long time, and I think my problem is when I go to do my food shop, I don't want to spend money on snack, and then I get home and really regret not spending money on snacks. So I've got 6 mini bags in here to keep me going for the next few days potentially, but I think these are perfect, and the fact that I could get food on here was just really convenient for me. I then picked up a few more like toiletry bits and pieces. So I got a tanning mitt because sometimes when you go out and you don't want to look really pale, then you need to tan. So this is like a tanning mitt. It was really basic, but you know what, they do the job. I think this is great. It's really nice, spongy on one side and then really soft on the other. Like, this is one of the softest tanning mitts I've ever felt, so it's great. You can really use this to scrub it on or smooth it on. You've got plenty of choice. It also comes with some gloves, which I've noticed. I bought another tanning mitt and it came with a glove, and I didn't really know what to do with it. So if anyone knows, do let me know. But I don't use like actual tan. I'm just too afraid these lovely white bed sheets are going to get stained. So instead I use gradual tan. So I've used the Garnier one before. I found that was really orangey. So I've been using the Dove one, and I picked myself up another bottle of this. I get the medium to dark because the light to dark I found really didn't do much at all. But this I really like is a 250ml bottle as well. So if I'm going away over the weekend and I need to take this with me, absolutely perfect. This builds up really, really nicely. I've got a bit on now, not that you can probably see too much, as I've got a social on Monday, so I'm trying to like build it up before the week. I think this is the best gradual tan I've ever used. If you guys have tried out something different and you think it's better, do let me know. But like I said, really convenient that I could get this on here, because the amount of times I've gone into the supermarket and they don't have it, or it's extortionately priced. Sticking with the theme of toiletries, I got myself a roll-on deodorant, as I have like a really big one that you can probably see in the background somewhere over there. I have like a big spray, but I wanted a roll-on just to take with me to uni. Sometimes you walk and you get a bit hot and sweaty. Even though it is freezing cold outside, you don't realise how warm you get walking to and from uni all the time. So I thought this is perfect to put in my bag. Also, I'd probably take this on a night out, because again, in the club you get really sweaty sometimes and there's just so many people there and you're like, is that me who smells? Is it someone else? So really perfect size. I do like Shaw as well. I think this is my favourite. This is literally like the roll-on dupe for the spray that I use, the aerosol. So again, really like that. And then I also got a mini Femfresh. Again, this is a shower gel I use. I have probably the world's most sensitive skin. Literally, shower gel on my arms, everything could just irritate it. So I find like this is just my safest bet. I really like that this is 150 mils. I've got a really big one in the shower, but this is perfect because recently I've been doing a lot of traveling. I've been going home, I've been going away, I'm going to Bournemouth, I'm going to London this weekend. So I've been to London already a few times. So this is really nice for me to just pop in my little suitcase and not have to worry too much about having loads of toiletries taking up space. Perfect travel size, but then I can also just put it in my shower when my other one runs out. I then also got myself some hair bubbles. Silly me, at the time when I ordered, I thought, oh, maybe these will match my hair, but then we look at my roots and it's incredibly dark, but I think these are still gonna work. And then the last toiletry I got was some tea tree oil. I have had loads of spots recently. I don't get spots, and I think something's just really irritated my skin. I'm trying to work out if it's stress, because we have so much work at the moment. So yeah, I'm trying to work out if it's stress or if it's something that's irritating my skin. And then we'll finally move on to all the cleaning products. Before that, I did also get like these 2 baskets. They were on a deal. It was like 2 for whatever price it was. Like I said, everything will be down below with prices. So yeah, I thought these are really convenient baskets. I'm just going to put these, I think they'll fit in my drawers nicely. So I actually need to organize my stuff, because I have a few drawers over there where my desk is, and they are a mess. But yeah, like I said, the last thing I got was cleaning products, because when you're living in your second year, third year, whatever, when you move out of halls, chances are you don't get cleaner. I don't get a cleaner. I only know one person who has a cleaner. So you need to sort it out yourself and clean the place. So I've stocked up for me and the flat. First thing I got was some Astonish for window and glass. Astonish seems to be one of my favourite cleaning brands, but this is perfect because we have really big sash windows that get very grimy inside, but also you can use this in the shower, which is really useful just to wipe everything clean, really. Sticking with Astonish, I got us some kitchen cleaner, lemon flavoured, can't go wrong. But yeah, the hob just gets really oily when people cook. You know, the kitchen just surfaces naturally get dirty, so this smells incredible and it really does the job, really keeps everything clean. I then also got a bottle of the pink stuff. We have a bottle of this downstairs which I've been using when cleaning. This one's for the bathroom though, so I'm excited to try this. We've been using the kitchen one. I think this stuff is great, it really does the job. I've seen loads of different stuff, like they do like pots with paste in and everything like that, but I used like the kitchen one, I think it was like a general one, on my Air Forces, and I think someone online had said not to do that, but when I did it, they looked so much better because they got so grimy from all the paddles and everything. So I'm excited to try this in the bathroom. This one's like a foamy one as well, and I then got some Dishmatic refills. If you do not use a Dishmatic, you are missing out. I remember moving into halls in first year and I bought one with, and people looked at it like, what is that? If you don't know what it is, it's like a sponge and then it's on like a stick, and you put the washing up liquid in like the stick thing, so when you use the sponge it like comes out. It is a game changer. If you don't use a Dishmatic, get yourself one. They're literally like £1 or £2. You can get them in your Cherryz box, but we have one downstairs and you don't need to keep buying the handle, you just need the replacements. They do different brushes. I like the pink ones because they're non-scratch. I then got some Descaler tablets for the kettle. You just need to keep on top of this stuff, you need to keep it clean. And then finally I got some marigold gloves. These I think are like medium. Yeah, these are just really useful when you're cleaning, especially the toilet. Like, put these on, or if you're using bleach. So we put bleach obviously down the sink to keep things fresh and moving, and sometimes you don't want to be getting that on your skin, so get yourself some gloves. People might laugh at you for having washing up gloves, but they come in handy, particularly for cleaning. And then yeah, the final thing I got is some Fabulosa. Again, if you've never used this stuff, you are missing out. I have like I think it's like a natural cottony scent, but this one is electrified. Never had this before, so let's do a spray. Oh, that smells really nice. I think that's nicer. This is really, really nice. So this is perfect to put on your bed sheets, in your wardrobe, in your room. Basically, it just keeps everything smelling fresh, and it kills the bacteria as well. So I found like when we moved in here, the wardrobe just had a bit of a smell to it, and then obviously I was putting clothes in there and the clothes are picking up the smell. So now I can just spray my Fabulosa in my wardrobe like I have been doing. My bottles literally just ran out, so this is perfect timing. And it just keeps things smelling fresh. Again, every time I wash my bed sheets, even though they're freshly washed, I like to just spray this on my bed. It smells really, really great. Again, I've got a nice fluffy rug that I'm sat on, and as much as I clean and hoover everything, you just never know how much bacteria is on these things. So just spraying a bit of this every now and again does the trick. And like I said, this one smells absolutely incredible. So that is it. That is my Cherryz haul. Like I said to you guys, this is such a convenient service, particularly if you are a student or if you live alone or you perhaps don't have access to a car or a nearby shop. This is perfect for you. Don't forget you can get 20% off using my discount code SophiaX20. I will leave everything down below with prices to all the items, so you can kind of get a rough idea of how much perhaps the cleaning products were, and I'll also leave all the information about downloading the app for Cherryz down below. And guys, please go check it out. Trust me, I wish I had known about this sooner, because I will be ordering another box when my stuff starts to run out again. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to leave that a thumbs up. If you are new around here, obviously subscribe for more cool content like this, and I will see you all very soon. Bye.